about packing cubes? Thank me later. Let's pack these two bags. I have travel packing cubes of different sizes. Just write travel packing cube on Amazon and you'll find amazing sizes and bundles. I will start packing individual items in these packing cubes, either day wise, event wise, whichever wise you want to sort out. Just pack them. I also use a travel packing cube separately for lingerie, separately for swimwear, separate one, for my accessories. And you saw that yesterday I did toiletries. Now, when I pack my bag, these small packing cubes will be in the bag compartmentalized. So when I open my bag, it's not like, where do I find things? This is something that I use for electronics as well. Can you look at my bag? The whole bag is packed. I still have space. And when I reach my destination, I exactly know which cube to open and what to use, instead of making it like Aladdin ka chirag and I don't know where my things are. Okay, see, when you have these kind of packing cubes and packed inside a bigger suitcase, every single item of clothing is compartmentalized. It truly makes your life so easy. And if you have young kids, then I also give them these packing cubes for their own bag. They exactly know where their undergarments are, where their pants, their tops, shoes are, and they just have to take it. It really makes life easy. Let me know if you have more questions.